he's so prolific. I walked into his writing studio and it'd be like on one of the tables. Like, do you have those papers there? Imagine them that thick, that thick, that thick, all script. What are these? He goes, this is a whole, space opera version of this movie. We're not making that one. It's like he's just cranking out all this stuff. It's like, again, can I take this and go
Yeah,
make
right.
this, please? But yeah, we bounced off each other because I loved his analytical part of his brain. I'm not that analytical. I'm just kind of like, hey, I'm really creative feeling. I'm like, woo, I'll go this way, and then woo, I'll go that way. And he likes that about me. But I want to be, because I think about things too much. Like, you think about things like,
Mhm.
what makes a movie a $1 billion hit? What are the elements that you need? And I'm going to analyze that, and I'm going to make sure my movie does that.
Mhm.
And he engineers a submarine that can break the world record. He engineers a movie that can break the world record. He's like, he has that engineering mind, but the creative part, that's very rare. So that's very rare, and he's capitalized on both. He had this submarine model like this big on his desk, the one that he broke the world record for going, and just seeing it and knowing him have kids and stuff and wife. And I'm like, weren't you afraid going down there with, something could happen? It's like, no, I wasn't afraid. I'm like, why not? And he goes, because I designed the escape vehicle. Like, yeah, if it was any other bozo, I'd be afraid, but he designed the escape vehicle. That kind of confidence, that's him. He just knows if some other bozo had designed the escape vehicle, I would be afraid. But total confidence, because he did it.
The confidence of extreme competence is brilliant.